What's up, third graders? It's Mr. Zuniga again. I'm ready for a new lesson. Are you? It's spelling. So, okay, let's make a little recalling on what we were doing the other day. The other day you were developing a Pictionary. Actually, it was a glossary with pictures. Remember that? Some of you printed out, some others sketched. And that was on abstract vowels, OU, OI. Those two are vowel sounds, but they are made up of two different letters, two different vowels. Okay? So the sounds are O, OI. And sometimes, most of the times, OW, OI. Examples of this: scout, noise. Those are the examples today. Does that make you recall? I hope so. So let's put hands on work and let's work on our books. Let's work on the textbook. So what page, Mr. Zuniga? Page 32. Page 32 looks like this. So I want you to print the date over here right now, because that's the first thing we do. We create a heading with the date. By the way, today is Thursday, May 7th, 2020. Remember, Thursday needs H. Thursday. Okay, don't forget to capitalize the use of commas, period, superscript th. Okay, with that said, let's do the part that says think and sort. Think and sort. It's this spot. It's this exercise. So we are told to organize the words according to a pattern. So we're gonna start from number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 with the words that have the sound oi. What are those? Let's start with number 1. Boil. Boil. There's a sentence here. It says, water will boil when it gets very hot. Boil. Hervir. Number 2. Join. Join. Example says, Roberto wants to join the team. Join. Unirse. 3. Voice. Voice. The singer had a beautiful voice. Okay, we all know what that is. Number 4. Oil. Oil. Let me read the example from the book. Salad dressing often includes oil. Oil. English for aceite. Oil. Number 5. Point. Point. Please sharpen the point of this pencil. Please sharpen the point of this pencil. Point. We all know what that is. Number 6. Soil. Soil. Some plants need a rich soil to grow well. Soil. Soil. Alright. And soil is the English for tierra, suelo. Polvo. So it's the soil, okay? It's what you find on the ground, what you use to grow plants. Okay, next will be number 7 through number 15. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We're looking for the rest of the words, and the rest of the words have the sound ow, ow, and the spelling is OU. So number 7, proud. Proud. I am proud of myself for getting an A. Remember, in the States and many English-speaking countries, they don't use numbers. They use marks. They use grades. And in the United States, they go from A through F. You can either get an A, or a B, a C, a D. An E is very bad, and an F is the same as failing. So you don't want to get an F. And very, very outstanding students get S. Okay, too much on that. Number 8. Loud, loud, loud. The music was too loud for my ears. Loud, fuerte, duro, ruidoso. Number 9. House, house. That's too easy. House. The Carters live in a large house. House. Number 10. Cloud, cloud. The English for nube. Cloud. We saw a dark cloud in the sky. Cloud. Sound. Sound is number 11. Sound. Sound. The loud ringing sound made me jump. Number 12. Round. Round. Put the dough in the round pan. Number 13. South. 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 South is the opposite of north. South. Example we have in our books, on our books is the loud ringing. No, sorry. North is the opposite of south. Come on. I wasn't original. They have my sentence. Okay, number 14. Found. Found. Example from the book. It goes like found. Rosa found her missing sock. Yeah, that's very common, losing socks. 15. Ground. Ground. It is hard to dig in the frozen ground. Ground. Suelo. Ground. We're done with this page, fellas. So it's time now we do some practice. This is gonna be done on our notebooks. So grab your notebook, grab your pencil, and let's copy this. It's gonna be like a dictation, but you're gonna be able to see it displayed on the screen, okay? So, title. Okay, let me click on this. I need to make a little. I remembered no correction needed. You actually need a title for your notes on your notebook. So, write Unit 4. Abstract vowels. O-U-O-I. Okay, you copy this on your notebook, and now let's listen to the voice note. Okay, listen carefully, okay? You listen and write down what you listen in order. Okay, so here we go. MP4 file. Let me check that out a bit out of here because I couldn't install it properly. So I have to play it here.
Unit 4.
Read along as you listen to the conversation.
Must you play the music so loud? The house is shaking.
What did you say? The music is very loud. I can't hear your voice.
I said the sound of the music is too loud.
You don't have to shout in such a loud voice. I can hear you.
The ground is shaking from your loud music. Please turn it down.
I will be glad to turn down the sound. Why didn't you say something?
He's like from New York. He says why. Okay, let's listen to this again. One more time.
Unit 4.
Remember to copy these on your notebook.
Read along as you listen to the conversation.
Try to do it without pausing the video. But if you have to, pause it.
Must you play the music so loud? The house is shaking.
What did you say? The music is very loud. I can't hear your voice.
I said the sound of the music is too loud.
You don't have to shout in such a loud voice. I can hear you.
The ground is shaking from your loud music. Please turn it down.
I will be glad to turn down the sound. Why didn't you say something?
Okay, good for those who could do it.